In this video, I'll show you how to install iOS 15 beta completely free on your iPhone or iPad. So if you want to download iOS 15 beta on your iPhone or iPad, then keep watching this video. If you go to settings and then go to general, in about section, you can see that my software version is currently 14.6 and we are going to install iOS 15 beta completely free. Before you do that, let me warn you that iOS 15 beta comes with many bugs and may contain crashes. So make sure you don't install it on your primary device, otherwise you might face some bugs and crashes. Alright, once you are aware of that and ready to proceed, first of all, you need to take backup of your existing data because in case something goes wrong, you can always revert back later. For that, simply tap on your Apple ID and then go to iCloud. Here, scroll down and you can see the iCloud backup option here. Tap on that and then here it is already turned on, but you can manually force it to take backup by tapping this Backup Now button. Next, tap Continue and it will start the backup process. Since I don't want to waste your time, so I'll fast forward this and come back later when the backup is completed. Alright, now you can see that the last successful backup is at this time, which is the same as current time. That means the backup is already completed and now we are ready to proceed to installation of iOS 15 beta. For that, we will need to install iOS 15 beta profile, and I have already got iOS 15 beta profile in my Google Drive and I can share that with you as well completely for free. For that, you will have to go to our official Facebook group with the name Tech Review Pro. I'll link out to that in the video description below, and once you join the group, you can find the beta profile link there. You can see that I have got iOS 15 here. And this is the iOS 15 beta profile. I'll tap this and then I'll download it. And now I'll proceed to download. You will get a prompt asking whether you want to download it or not. Simply tap Allow and you will get a success message saying profile is downloaded. So close this and now minimize this browser and go to settings. Here you can see that the profile is downloaded. Tap on that and then you will need to install it. It will ask for passcode, so enter that and then agree to terms and conditions. Again tap install and the beta profile has been installed now, but we will just need a final restart. So tap on restart and the phone will be restarted. I'll wait for some time until the phone is restarted. Alright, now the phone has been restarted and we will just need to enter the passcode, and after that go to settings. Here if you go to general now and if you go to software update, it will check for the update and within a few moments you will see that iOS 15 developer beta is ready to download and install. And you can see that the size of iOS 15 developer beta is 5.55 GB for this iPhone, and the size may vary depending upon the iPhone you have. I'll proceed to download and install it. Then enter the passcode and it will start the downloading process. But before that, we need to agree to terms and conditions. Tap agree and then again to confirm, and then the update has been requested. So wait for some time and let it download. Alright, now iOS 15 developer beta is downloaded on this iPhone and we are ready to install it. So simply tap install now and this will start the installation process. Alright, now this iPhone has been updated to iOS 15 and let's enter the passcode, and now let's go to settings and change the wallpaper. Here you can see that a new wallpaper has been added in iOS 15 developer beta. let's set it, and after that we will go back and in general tap on about, and here you can see that the software version is 15.0. So this is how you can install iOS 15 developer beta completely free on any iPhone or iPad. The process is same for iPad as well. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit that like button to let me know.